Why is it that the car that you least wanted to build and gave more trouble than any other turns out looking the best? Why? Hey guys, welcome back. Part 2 of the 1962 Buick Electra 225. Thanks for all the comments. 225 apparently is the wheelbase or the length of the car. 225, so I got several comments on that. That answered that question. Hey, up front, I want to start doing this up front. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, if you would go ahead and do that. And also, depending on what the duration that you watch this video, I always at the completion of my builds, I give a slideshow, a detailed slideshow of the car and in its completion, up close and personal. So if you would stay to the end, if not, skip to the end, whichever you want to do. But if you would go ahead and subscribe, and I'd appreciate it. Guys, I'm almost done with this thing, and within just a few minutes of this video, it's going to be complete. This has turned out to be an awesome looking car, and I actually am beginning to even like the way the body style looks. It's cool. It really is. It's just it's an old kit. It's not old to me. I haven't had it that long, but you know what I'm saying, the molds are old. And one of you guys, forgive me, left a comment and said that this thing was actually like released in 1962 as far as the kit. And so I mean, it's endured for ages. No telling how long AMT owned this mold, and it didn't even get used, and then Round 2's brought it back. Thank you, Round 2. Look at these tires and wheels. Don't they look awesome? I mean, the grill, it's turned out great. Hey, I wanted to show you one quick thing. These headlights are molded in, so they would have been just, you know, screaming chrome headlights. Look just like everything else. What I did, you can see that they're not chrome anymore. I had some of this acrylic. It's plaid. Okay, I didn't really read the color. I just said that looks good, and I just put a little bit on. It just takes a dab, and I didn't water it down or anything, but I just rubbed it on my headlights to make them, you know, make them look like they're glass headlights. And I put the decal on the Buick symbol. Looks great. So got the engine in it, got it wired as far as the plug wires. I have to wait until the body's on it to be able to put the radiator hose. So the radiator mounts to the body here. So when I get the body mated up to the chassis, I will get a radiator hose put on it and get everything completed. And man, this thing has turned out to be sweet. I'm bragging on myself. The bare metal foil, my bare metal foil job doesn't look good, but the bare metal foil has just made this thing just turn out. I love it. I think it looks so cool. It's going to look great sitting right up there amongst these guys. So anyway, all right guys, so with the help of movie magic, I'm going to snap my fingers and we're going to see a completed kit. Ready? Ta-da! All completed, ready to go. I'm ready to go take it for a cruise. Wouldn't that be cool to have something like this to go cruise around town? I think it would be awesome. Very awesome. And how many of these do you see driving around? I mean, now that I've gotten this kit, you know, I've just looked around. You don't see these. I don't see them very often at all. I don't even know if I've ever seen one on purpose. You know, if I've really recognized what it was. If my dad were around, he could tell you any car from the 40s to the 60s, any car. He could tell you exactly what it was. Cool. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for watching. If you hadn't already subscribed, if you would please do so, it would be greatly appreciated. If you would hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd comment at the end of this, or at the end of it, you can comment whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. This has been a cool build. Thank you for the response on the first half of it. And yeah, this has just turned out to be a lot of fun. The kit is antique for sure. I think one of you guys said that it came out in like 62, like when the car was new. So I mean, these molds are shot out, but wow, did they do a good job initially. I'd love to have seen this when it was new, as far as the kit, but this has just turned out so nice. I am so impressed. Not with me, but I'm impressed that at first when I said the darn chrome lines are terrible, it's just this or that, it's turned out to be one of the nicer looking kits. The body, the chassis, a lot to be desired. It's very basic. I didn't even do much detailing under there. Really don't even have the need to turn it over and show you the bottom side. The interior, however, is nice, and it's just like I say, the color. I love the color. You can't really see it on the video, but it's a I added from the video prior when I painted it. I added a little bit of copper, metallic copper, to my white to tone it down, and it did, and it looks great, and it goes so good with the interior color. The wheels that they have, this thing's not wanting to focus, but there we go. The wheels and tires just look wonderful. After I black washed them, so I could give them some shadowing. The grill, I black washed it. I did paint the headlights because they were just chrome along with it, so I tried to paint them to make them look like they were glass. Maybe didn't do such a good job on that, but I popped the hood, and we'll see what the engine looks like. So the engine is just minor details. I put a radiator hose on it that did not come with the kit. It didn't even have a radiator hose, and I put plugs on it, or plug wires. So not much detail really, except just the plug wires and a little bit of painting. But again, this thing turned out so nice. So excited to let you guys see it, get it on the shelf up there with the other cars, and let it have its final resting place, because it's going to sit there a while. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to have a slideshow, as always, at the completion of my builds, to show you some up close and personal pictures and better lighting. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Go get this. Go buy that kit, and it will challenge your skills. But in the end, it looks sweet. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Subscribe, like, comment, and we'll see you on the next build. Take care. Bye.